Welcome again, dear viewers. Today we will present the topic of the methods of the Abdullah Ocalan Academy of Social Sciences. The Abdullah Ocalan Academy of Social Sciences does not adopt the materialist, idealist, positivist, postmodernist, narcissistic or nihilistic methods and approaches that have been widely tried in the past and have led to fragmentation and antagonism. He is critical of them, seeing them as methods of depoliticizing and immoralising society and rendering it defenceless. Through these methods, society is fragmented and swallowed up by the new leviathans. This creates social genocide. We are living the moment when this genocide of society takes place. It's the moment when, in the words of Michael Foucault, the death of man is proclaimed. In the words of Friedrich Nietzsche, it's the moment when man is domesticated, dwarfed, diminished. It is the moment when, in the words of Max Weber, society is put in an iron cage. A new method is needed to take society out of this iron cage and set it free. This new method can be called the regime of truth. The Abdullah Ocalan Academy of Social Sciences defines the regime of truth as the holistic epistemological approach, unity in diversity. The unity of being, mentality and knowledge will lead to a correct understanding of social scientific methods by overcoming the fragmentation of positivist science imposed by monopolistic civilization. We've now reached the end for this topic. Don't forget to follow us for more content, and all the best until next time.